Meme coin season is still booming, and everyone's wondering how to make the best returns while spotting hype meme coins early. If you have been in the crypto space for a while, you already know that bots play a crucial role in handling various tasks. But if your focus is on maximizing profits and catching the best opportunities, I have got an incredible tool for you. It's called AutoSnipe, and it's packed with powerful features that could take your Solana meme coin trading to the next level. And the best part is suitable for everyone, professional traders and even beginners. So if you are subscribed to my channel, you should know that I already made several videos about this tool. But I see lots of people asking me in DMs about how to use this tool and what are the best strategies and features on AutoSnipe. So that's why I decided to make this video. So this is basically how their official website looks. So firstly, what you need to do is obviously connect your wallet. So let's do that. Let's click this button. So on Phantom Wallet, you need to confirm everything they are asking to. So this is basically how the dashboard looks inside when you are logged. And actually, if you register with my code in the description, you will get 10% less fees on transactions. So definitely check out my link in the description. So firstly, what you definitely need to do is to add a balance to your account. So we have this button here, this wallet. So let's click it. So basically, at this moment, I don't have any money on my account. But if you want to, you can deposit, withdraw, or even watch the history of how much you put it in the trading. So it's super easy to do. The most recommended thing is to transfer basically Solana, but we have several options. We have on Ramper, and you can even bridge Solana. If you want to start as soon as possible, just put money in your account and you are ready to trade. But let's get back on the main page. So firstly, we have this upper line, and let's click it pump.fund pairs. So we have this big list of tokens that are launched here. So basically, they are created even 7 seconds ago, 22 seconds ago, and we have this long list. All these tokens are listed right now, and they are super new. So basically, there is a couple of things we need to watch out here. So first of all, I saw when I scrolled these kind of tokens. So this red indicator means that this token is highly to rug. So yeah, guys, if you don't want to see rugs, and actually you don't want to, AutoSnipe has this amazing feature here, hide rugs. So let's turn it on. So we can see that all those warning signs that we saw before disappeared. So I think this hide rug feature is super useful. So yeah, guys, I definitely suggest you use this hide rug feature, but keep in mind, even with the hide rugs function, AutoSnipe cannot guarantee that tokens won't be rugged. So as I always say, don't invest more than you can lose. Also, this video is in any way financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This is just a tool review, which I think has huge potential. We have several information. So for example, as I said, when the token is created, we can check the token liquidity, we can check the token market cap, we can check the volume, and even some security details like mint authority disabled, like freeze authority disabled, liquidity burn, and even the percent of tokens held by the top 10 accounts. So it's really nice that we can see all the tokens information here. You don't need to open each of them. So it's really helpful and saves your time a lot. And additionally, you have this feature instant buy. So let's turn it on. So as you can see from this buy, we have button instant buy. So this means you can buy tokens instantaneously. And actually, if you want, you can edit some filters on this instant buy button. So let's click this button filter. So we can check what we want to see on the dashboard. Also, we can choose even the tokens you want to see and buy instantaneously. So for example, you can choose even current liquidity, buy volume, buy market cap, buy transaction, buy buy, and buy sell. So for example, you want to see tokens which market cap is around $100,000. So yeah, so basically you can filter everything. And if you don't want these settings, you can reset them immediately. And actually here with instant buy function, you can write the number of how much you want to instant buy. So for example, you want to buy tokens instantly of 1 Solana. So basically you can buy all the tokens instantaneously with 1 Solana. And actually, if you want your transaction to be even more fluent, I recommend you to click this button, which is settings. So as we can see, the slippage right now is 10%, but I would recommend to make slippage at least 20% for even faster transactions. So we have these options. So I would personally choose recommended one, AI bullet. So let's choose it. Then we have smart math protection and then bribery amount. And even we can customize your quick buy button with your own preset amount. So as I mentioned, so you can choose amount of how much you want to buy instantaneous. So yeah, guys, this is basically it, what you can do here. And actually here we have top peers, we have Radiant peers, we have Moonshot peers, we have even holdings and API trading. So they all have the same functions apart holding and API trading, but I definitely recommend you to check those out yourself after you watch my video because they have all the same features I mentioned right now. But I would like to talk about two most useful tools on AutoSnipe. I think these two features makes AutoSnipe different from other bots. So they are AI Sniper and copy trading. Actually, AutoSnipe added these features not that long time ago, so let's check them out. So let's start with AI Sniper. So let's click it. And we can see activate AI Sniper to earn automatically while you sleep. So basically this feature allows AI to snipe meme coins even when you are sleeping. So here we actually have some basic snipers already created. So we can see, for example, low risk new tokens, top 24-hour trending coins, high risk new tokens, top trending in 24 hours, top trending 5 minutes, and migrating. So actually, let's check one of these already created AutoSnipe. So for example, let's choose this one. So we can see top 24-hour trending coin Sniper. And we have the risk factor is low risk, peer listed top 24 hours, minimum liquidity burn is 99%, it's created 3 days ago, and minimum liquidity is 100 at least. And we can see that this AutoSniper will snipe tokens that are up to 100. And we can see holding percent of top 10 up to 18%. So actually top 10 people earns around 20% of the tokens. If you want to use the sniper, we can activate the sniper. So total SOL invested. So here you can choose how much SOL you want to invest into this sniper. And what is really interesting that the buy amount per order is minimum 0.01 SOL. So, which is approximately at $2.16, but I really do recommend you to snipe with at least 0.1 or 0.2 SOL because AutoSnipe has fees, and some of the times if you are trading with really low budget, the transaction fees may eat up your profits. So again, if you decide to invest, don't invest too low, but also don't start trading more than you can lose. Then we have stop loss triggers. So basically you can put the stop loss at any percentage you want, then expire in. You can choose when this AutoSnipe will expire. So let's choose, for example, 1 day. So here we have all the priority fees, but I always choose recommended one. And then we have exit sell strategy. So actually this is really interesting because you can set the sell and profit percentage. And actually you can add even multiple exits. So if you don't want that kind of amount of exits, you delete them. So for example, we want to sell 100% of the tokens if we have, for example, 40% of profits. So this AutoSniper will automatically sell all of your tokens when you reach 40% of the profit. And basically, lastly, you need to activate this AutoSniper. So this is basically it. And as I said, it's super easy to use. So every pre-created AutoSniper has same features and same settings. But actually, if you want, you can create your own sniper. So let's click this button here, create sniper. So we need to firstly think of our sniper name. So let's call my sniper Web3 Mana. Then we can choose coin pair platform. So we have Radium or Pump.fun. So for example, let's choose Radium. And then we have migrated from. So we have native to Radium, Pump.fun, and Moonshot. So actually you can choose where your token will migrate. I will definitely suggest you to choose always all the options because it definitely increases chances to snipe really great tokens. Then we have listing type. So we have new, top 24 hours, top 6 hours. We have these options here, but I will leave listing type to new, for example. Then we have rank. So this means only tokens up to this rank will be sniped. So let's make it 100. Then we have minimum liquidity in Sol. So for example, I want the sniper to snipe tokens who has liquidity minimum, for example, of 10 Sol. Then we have start investing after. So this means time post activation at which sniper starts sniping tokens. So for example, we can choose that we want the sniper to snipe after like 50 seconds after the token is listed. Then we have minimum liquidity burn. So let's write, for example, 85% and holdings percent for top 10 up to. So let's write, for example, 12%. And then we have sniper security checks. So I would like to keep all with the yes option, and then we can click continue. And here we have our own created sniper. So yeah, guys, I think this feature is really amazing and I really recommend you to try it out. Next, another feature, copy trade. So we can see mirror buy and sell orders from targeted traders on AutoSnipe. So I think this feature is really useful for all the beginners and people who just like copy trading. Basically, you need to do your own research on this one. And if you don't know how to do it, I can prepare another video for you guys just on this topic. So write me in the comments if I should do another video of how to find what to copy trade. But if you are super lost at this moment, you can use this button here, this question mark. So feeling lost finding top traders? No worries, get a head start on your copy trading journey with these popular platforms. So we have two options, Bird Eye and Dune. So basically you can find here pretty good traders you want to copy. And when you find your trader, then you need to copy paste target address of that person and start copy trading. So I really fastly find some random trader. So let's check him out. So here we are brought onto the person's history if he has any. So for this example, I chose a person who doesn't have any history. And here we have actually some settings. So we can choose of how much sol per trade we want to make. And here we have two options, buy exactly 4 and buy in percent of actual trade. So for example, let's click buy exactly 4 and write, for example, I want to buy exactly of 0.5 sols per order. So this basically means that when your chosen trader makes a trade, you will automatically copy this person trades of 0.5 sol. Then we have total sol to allocate. So this means set up upper cap on total sol investment for this copy trading strategy. So for example, I want to make this at, for example, 3 Solana. So this means that I will copy trade this person 6 times, and each of the time I will spend 0.5 per order. Next up, we can choose pair platforms. Actually, as I said, I always like to choose all the platforms. Then we have stop loss triggers and percentages. So for example, let's write 5% here. Then we have manual exit sell strategy. So you can set manual sell and profit percentages. Token will be sold automatically on meeting this criteria. So you can, for example, sell 80% of the tokens when the profit is, for example, 30%. Then those 20% that are left, you will sell when it has, okay, I don't know, 25% profit. And you can add even more sell and profit strategies if you want. And lastly, you need to click this button, activate copy trading. So yeah, this is how easy it is to start copy trading and earning money here on AutoSnipe. While lots of trading bots might seem similar, AutoSnipe really stands out. Its AI-powered tool and super easy-to-use design make it a top choice. Plus, the ability to create your own custom sniper and use the copy trading features give you more control and automation than most other bots out there. But before jumping in, remember this, meme coin trading is risky. Even with all these cool tools, there's no guarantee you'll make money. Start small, test things out, and never trade with more than you are okay to lose. If you're excited to give AutoSnipe a shot, you can get 10% off your fees using my link in the description. And if you have already tried it, let me know in the comments. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to join my free Telegram group. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.